Hi, good day. itZATECH is here, your tech tips buddy. In this video, I will unbox the monitor from ASUS TUF Gaming, model VG279Q1A. This monitor is 27 inches with 165 Hz refresh rate. So now let's start unboxing. Alright, the monitor is in very good condition, no dead pixel. The TUF Gaming VG279Q1A monitor supports AMD FreeSync premium technology with G-Sync compatibility. Both sync the display's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate output to reduce screen tearing, stuttering, and ghosting for a more fluid gaming experience. This monitor has great display because of IPS panel and has 165 Hz refresh rate. The calibration of this monitor is not so necessary, so that this monitor is great for plug and play user. So guys, thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.